ऐसा कितनी बार हुआ है कि आप अपने घर या ऑफिस से दूर हो और आपने सोचा हो कि काश इस समय आपके पास इंटरनेट होता। आप इंटरनेट लैपटॉप से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, बट दे आर हेवी एंड द वायर्स आर अ पेन। हैंडहेल्ड डिवाइसेस बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं और बहुत स्लो भी। And forget about the cell phones as the screens are just too small. What everyone wants is affordable, portable, fast access and an internet experience just like the one you get at home. So no matter where you are, you get online, search the web, check your emails or send instant messages. Well, ये सब अब possible है Pocket Surfer के साथ, जो new advanced wireless technology का इस्तेमाल करता है, which gives you the power of internet everywhere at 3 times the speed of the conventional dial-up. Pocket Surfer has a large screen and it gives you the true internet experience. Text and graphics बिल्कुल वैसे जैसे आपके डेस्कटॉप पे आते हैं. No scrunched up pages, no tiny graphics और weight से 4.5 ounces. Pocket Surfer is as portable as a checkbook. It gives you the internet access everywhere with which you can get maps on the road, check stocks, check and send emails, do comparative shop right at the store, find the updates of your favorite game, see what's happening tonight. If you're tired with high activation fees, long-term contracts, you're gonna love the Pocket Surfer. Other such devices cost you 4 times more, but this Pocket Surfer will be an incredible investment you will ever make in your lifetime. Why spend thousands of rupees on big machines which you can't carry everywhere? You can carry Pocket Surfer everywhere and it also has a battery backup of 4 hours and 4 days standby. Why pay for slow internet connections when you can breeze the web? If you lose your current PDA, all your data is gone forever. But if you lose your Pocket Surfer, your data remains intact.
Yes, sir. I'm just sending it in a moment. Yeah, I'll do that. Excuse me? What is this you're carrying?
Oh, this? It's a Pocket Surfer.
Pocket Surfer? ये क्या है?
Well, this is basically a mobile internet surfing device जो real web का fast experience दिलाता है. You can do all your internet stuff on this.
Real web fast मतलब?
Well, a Pocket Surfer delivers real web page experience just like your desktop PC. It displays original HTML layouts with graphics, Java and complete functionality. Pocket Surfer displays a web page faster than any handheld device on a mobile network.
Is it?
ये किसी भी वेब पेज को 5 से 7 सेकंड्स में डिस्प्ले करता है. It's internet anytime, anywhere.
Well, पर ये सब होता कैसे है?
Well, a Pocket Surfer works on a GPRS platform. इसमें SIM card embedded है.
GPRS? My PDA phone also have GPRS, पर इसकी स्पीड तो बहुत स्लो है. इसकी स्पीड इतनी तेज कैसे?
Well, a Pocket Surfer is backed by a patented data acceleration and compression technology, जो इसको वर्ल्ड का fastest mobile internet device बनाती है.
Can I just have a look at it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, this is so sleek and lightweight. इसकी स्क्रीन भी कितनी वाइड है और कीपैड्स are really user friendly. It's really nice. Can you help me open a website?
Yeah, sure. I am having a wonderful experience with it. It has become my lifeline. I can check my emails, weather updates, cricket scores, news and horoscopes.
Amazing. अगर Pocket Surfer में इतना सब कुछ possible है, तो क्या इसमें share trading भी possible है?
Yes, of course. Not just stock trading, you can also do online banking, online shopping, do hotel reservations, book tickets, matrimonials and a lot more.
But if I do my online banking, how secure is my personal information?
Well, banking, share trading and all your online transactions are encrypted and secured.
And what about the virus protection?
Well, this device works on a world patented client-server architecture, so there are no chances of virus attacks. Moreover, when you lose your PDA, your entire data gets lost. But in case of a Pocket Surfer, you lose nothing.
But what if I want to store a file or a document? Is there a provision for that as well?
Yeah, there's a provision of 50 GB online storage at adrive.com.
50 GB? I was not aware that such kind of device is available in the market. बहुत महंगा होगा.
ये बहुत महंगा भी नहीं है और बहुत आसानी से मिल जाता है. Rather, it's value for money. A pocket surfer is available at a box price of 11,990 with 1 year free internet usage up to 35 hours per month.
That's great. I pay rupees 899 per month. That's over rupees 10,000 per year for my internet usage in the phone. You mean Pocket Surfer costs nothing to use? I don't have to pay anything for the usage?
Absolutely not. You pay for the device and the usage is free. ना ही कोई monthly charges, ना ही कोई activation fee और ना ही कोई contract.
No monthly charges?
Yeah, you get 35 hours per month free internet usage for a year, and if you exceed that, you just pay rupees 99 for unlimited usage.
Okay.
The second year, you pay rupees 999, and again you get 35 hours per month free internet usage for that year.
That's very affordable. Now tell me, ऐसा क्या है जो इसमें नहीं है?
Well, it's not a phone. You cannot listen to music and you cannot watch videos.
I already have a phone. For internet anytime, anywhere, this is perfect. I'm really getting excited about it.
It's indeed very exciting. आप इस पर AOL, Yahoo, MSN से instant messaging और free SMS भेजने के साथ-साथ social networking sites पे भी interact कर सकते हो.
You mean to say मैं अपने friends के साथ interact कर सकता हूँ Orkut और Facebook पे?
Well, of course. Let me share an experience with you.
Sure.
Once I had to go to Delhi urgently, so I reached the airport to inquire about the tickets. The counter ticket was available for rupees 12,000, and when I checked on my Pocket Surfer, I could save rupees 7,000 from online booking.
Well, but what about the battery backup?
It has a rechargeable lithium polymer battery which ensures 4 hours active usage and 4 days standby.
Okay, and can I connect it to my PC?
Yes, you can, with remote PC access via LogMeIn, which comes with the Pocket Surfer.
It's a dream device. From where can I get it?
Well, you can buy it right now by calling these numbers on the screen, or you can place your order online at www.pocketsurfer.co.in, and if you order right now, you get a special discount. The Pocket Surfer is available at a regular price of rupees 12,000 with 1 year free internet usage of 35 hours per month. But if you order right now, you get free unlimited usage for 1 year anywhere in India, a free car charger, free shipping and the device, all for just rupees 9,999. You save rupees 4,000 if you call right now. You get the Pocket Surfer with GPRS module, an embedded SIM card, a free wall charger, a free car charger and free shipping, that is rupees 4,000 value, all for just rupees 9,999. So don't miss this opportunity.
All this in just 10,000? Unbelievable. I'm gonna grab this right now.
This has very high processing power. Pocket Surfer 2 has an inbuilt GPS module that helps you to know about your whereabouts. With the power of internet coupled with GPS techniques, you can also perform local searches. It is highly portable as it is small enough to fit into our pockets. It has a sleek body measuring 6 by 2.98 by 0.60 inches and weighs only around 174 grams. It comes with a small USB port to charge the device from computer or from direct power. It has a smooth, user-friendly QWERTY backlit keyboard. Equipped with rechargeable lithium polymer battery, ensures 4 hours active usage and 4 days standby. Loads web page under 7 seconds.
I'm definitely gonna take it home.